So today, me and Mark were on the beach in Nantucket.
After we did our what was that thing?
Our mopeds. Scooter ride.
So we took a little break with our scooter.
We drove all over on a scooter.
We still have our towels.
We still have our towels. We bought towels. And so we took our towels.
We're at nighttime. It's
We're
safe
at nighttime
day.
now. So I was sitting on the beach, and I just like nodded off to sleep. Took a little nap. For like what? How long?
No more than a half hour.
Half hour. And Mark said that, what, Mark? What did you say?
You snored
He said I was snoring.
so loud that you woke up the fishes.
And then talking, I'm snoring.
You were snoring on the beach. You were out cold.
I'm snoring.
On the
snoring on the beach.
Woke me up.
So I said to Mark, was I loud? Mark said, wow, what'd you say? What'd you say? I said, if I was loud.
Not as loud as me.
Not as loud as him. That's what I said.
How do I know?
Mark, how do you know how loud you are?
Because you tell me I'm loud.
I tell him he's loud. So
Right.
That didn't answer my question, Mark. It did not answer the question.
So what was the question? How loud was
I
it?
can't. My sides hurt.
How loud was it?
No, my question was... I say louder than you. You don't even know how loud you are.
Well, you always
said
me
I
how
tell
loud
you. I know, but you don't know.
I believe you.
I can't. My friggin' sides. I swear to God.
Well, I can relate to it because my brother's real loud, so I can relate
All right,
to it.
so I'm not as loud as your brother. That would make more sense. Am I louder than him?
Not even close. You were like a murmur. You were like a beat.
I'll see.
It takes the paneling off the wall. Off the wall.
My son.
The nails actually pop out. Every day I gotta get the hammer. I put the paneling back in. I don't have a drop ceiling.
Oh my God, my cheeks and everything.
And the drop ceiling would fall on your head.
I so
The
can't.
panels would fall on your head.
Oh my God, I swear to God.